Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial on how to use these templates. So each of the templates is a separate Photoshop file, and for each one you can go in and customize these. So when you first open it up, you're going to see these different layers that should be available to you, and you have a design layer. Most of the time the design layer can be left alone. However, you can customize it as well. So when you go over here to the studio name or logo, all right, you can see what that changes right here, and that would allow you to go in there and highlight that text and change it. So if your studio is Affinity Photo Studio, you go in there and highlight it. You can change the font up here, the size, and then you can move it around to be where you need it to be. Okay, we're gonna go back. You can also do the same thing for the main body text. So you can go in there and change the phone numbers and the information that you need to. And then the studio information down here. You can change all that, and you can just save it as is. Now if you'd like to change this color, or you would like to delete something like that, you can go over here to the design folder, and you can remember to click and unclick the eyeball there so you can see what it is. Add a rectangle if you'd like it without it, you can do that. If you'd like the rectangle to stay, you can keep it there. The title of the page is up there, and then the design element is down there, and then the double lines at the top. If you would like to change these to be the color of your branding, then for instance on the design element, this one, you can just double click in there, and then you can choose your color. You can just choose whatever color you'd like to be able to use, and you can see it changing on the page. And you could also go ahead and change the opacity to make it more see-through or more solid. And you can do the same thing for the double line at the top. And when you're done, you can just close down that design thing. And then after you've completed all that, your template should be pretty much custom designed for you. So if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know, and I'd be glad to help.